In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome browser. So to disable and turn off hardware acceleration, firstly open Chrome browser, then click on these three dots, then settings, scroll down, click on advanced, scroll down. Underneath system, you will find option use hardware acceleration when available. So to disable and turn off, select it to off position. Select it and toggle to off position like this. Then click on relaunch. So all Chrome browser will be closed. Now you need to reopen Chrome browser and you will see hardware acceleration is now turned off. Hardware acceleration is turned off. That's it. Thanks for watching.